Finally, breaking news is out. IBM just announced associate software engineer role and Cognizant 2 role hiring is announced. 25, 24, 23 batches eligible. But this is the thing you have to keep in mind, that you have to watch video till end. And one more thing I want to tell you, this is the official hiring. The batch is different for IBM because this is the another official big hiring going on. So if you want to watch, if you want the shortlisting mail, please watch video till end. This is the IBM Associate Software Engineering. One day ago they posted, but you don't have to read from here. Just click on this link, you will redirect to this page. This is pan India hiring. ठीक है, मल्टीपल लोकेशन एंट्री लेवल हायरिंग इज गोइंग ऑन. वन मोर थिंग वांट टू टेल यू, दिस इज फुल टाइम अपॉर्चुनिटी with entry level hiring is going on. Now BE, BTech, Computer Science, IT, Software Engineering is eligible. Any one programming you have to put in resume, SDLC and no active backlog. This is only the criteria, that's it. Entry level आपके पास hiring position and the candidate must have obtained the degree before the start of employment. Means 24-25 is only eligible. BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MSc, MCA, all CS, IT, electronic, मतलब all जितनी भी computer science branches all is eligible with 60% criteria only in graduation, not in 10th-12th. ठीक है, fluent English is compulsory. Then 0 year of experience is written. You can check that if you are 24-25 batch, then you don't have to need a experience or even internship experience. ठीक है, if you are absolute fresher, you can easily apply because this is entry level hiring going on. But the thing is, we have to put that domain within resume, otherwise you will never get to see the shortlisting mail. One thing keep in mind, web technologies, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, SDLC, agile methodology, waterfall methodology, any one programming with object oriented programming language, GitHub and SDLC तो मैंने बता दिया, GitHub is compulsory. अब यहाँ पे आएंगे तो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़ में यार यू विल गेट टू सी द मैनी डोमेन्स लाइक J2EE ज़्यादा मिलेगा देखने. तो इफ़ यू आर पुटिंग जावा देन यू विल गेट टू सी द जावा प्रोजेक्ट आफ्टर ऑनबोर्डिंग. तो प्लीज़ पुट जावा इफ़ यू वांट द शॉर्ट लिस्टिंग. एंड ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू विदाउट रीडिंग दैट वेब टेक्नोलॉजी इज कंपल्सरी. पुट जावा इफ़ यू डोंट नो. Yeah, put Java if you don't know. After that we will learn the Java basic only, and one project you can easily add in resume to get the shortlisting mail. Do one thing, put Java J2EE, that's it, and one Java project only basic. ठीक है, ज़्यादा कोई टफ प्रोजेक्ट नहीं, बस उतना मेंशन करके सबमिट योर रेज्यूमे एज सून एज पॉसिबल. बट व्हाट इज द रेज्यूमे फॉर्मेट? आई विल क्रिएट वन मोर वीडियो. इन दैट वीडियो आई विल टेल यू the preparation PDF resume format. In this video link you can also check the preparation PDF of IBM. In this video link there is also a PDF which is IBM preparation PDF. I already attached. Just go and check out that PDF and start your preparation because this is mass hiring going on. Job ID is 96922. Associate software engineer role is going on. So if you are skipping this hiring, then what are you doing? Because Accenture, TCS, just like Accenture, TCS, IBM is also announced mass hiring for 24-25. Very soon you will see the online assessment mail. So I am attaching one PDF. Just go through that PDF and check out round 1, round 2, round 3. Everything you will get to see in that one PDF. All rounds, all doubt, and each and everything I already giving you in that video. Just go and check out that video. Not video, PDF. So BE BTech is only eligible. Keep in mind, ठीक है. Not BE BTech. Sorry, यहाँ पे मैंने ऑलरेडी बता चुका है, ठीक है. तो ये एलिजिबल है. लेकिन यहाँ पर एक चीज़ नोटिस करोगे ना, जो जावा मोस्टली लिखी है, जो कि मैं बोल भी रहा हूँ कि पाइथन, जावा सब कर सकते हो, बट इफ़ यू आर पुटिंग जावा विथ जावा प्रोजेक्ट देन देयर इज द हाईली चांसेस यू विल गेट टू सी द ऑनलाइन असेसमेंट इन द phase 1. Yes, you had it right, phase 1. Go and check out that hiring. Go and apply as soon as possible. But before that, update your resume. Already told you how to update resume and what to put in resume. This is pan India hiring going on. Entry level, don't miss this hiring. Cognizant fresher hiring for analyst trainee 3-year program. 24-25 grads is eligible. ठीक है, one more thing want to tell you, there is a 3 role. You can easily check and hit the apply button. This is the quick reminder, hit the apply button as soon as possible because 24-25 batch is eligible. Analyst trainee role is ongoing and closing in 11 days, and this is absolutely for 26. Again, one mass hiring. I want to tell you 26 batch is eligible. Analyst trainee 3-year program is eligible. And one more thing, again same 3 role is there like 24-25 batch. The role is same, hiring is same, but here 24-25 batch is eligible and here 26 batch is eligible. So what are you doing? Just update your resume and hit the apply button as soon as possible. Last date is 15th March, but don't wait for 15th March, just hit the apply button. So NTT Data just announced the Data and Business Insight Associate. Chennai location is there. BE, BTech, MC, MSc, MTech, MBA is eligible. You can ignore this because this is a plus point but not mandatory. Now the thing is, Python is mandatory, MS SQL, Azure is compulsory, GitHub is compulsory. 0 to 5 years of experience. 0 to 5 year of experience is compulsory, and you can easily put these domain if you have knowledge. Otherwise, you have to just update your resume. This much you have to put in resume, and this is your responsibilities. Keep in mind, this is data analyst role, means data scientist role. And if you are a fresher, you can also apply because 0 year of experience is also needed. So hit the apply button as soon as possible. And for Cognizant, don't skip this hiring. And for IBM, wait for next video. I am uploading preparation video, roadmap, plus resume format also, plus how to start preparation. But I am attaching that PDF. You have to just open that PDF. Take, and in next video I will tell you exact how to prepare using that PDF also, and using the previous or latest और pattern वगैरह सब बताऊंगा मैं इसमें. what is the latest pattern of this IBM ASE role 24-25 new pattern. I will tell you. Just do one thing, just go to the video section and apply for Softdel Tesla/labs, which I already uploaded yesterday. Today is the last date, and 3 bulk hiring already uploaded, but I don't know कि why views down हो गए, क्योंकि नोटिफिकेशन नहीं गई होगी. तो जाके एक बार वीडियो सेक्शन पे देख लेना. लाइक दिस वीडियो, डू सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.